Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Studios. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Netflix not working on your iPhone. If you are having problem on Netflix, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all open your App Store and on the searching bar search for Netflix. Now make sure that no update is available. If there are any updates, then please do update your application from here by hitting on the update button instead of open. Once you do that, go through your settings. From here scroll down and then go through the general. Now hit on the iPhone storage and go through it. Now again scroll down until you found Netflix. Once you found it, go through it and hit on the offload app and again do offload app. Then you have to reinstall your application again. Then your Netflix not working on your iPhone will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.